Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Erwin. I'm here to stand you up. Okay, ma'am, kindly grab your weak head very strong and pull it above your tummy. You kneel, then you grab the scapula. Okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, I will sit you up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ma'am, if you're dizzy. Okay, ma'am, kindly please scoop your weak leg, very strong leg. Okay, insert. Take note tayo sa kami nandito. Okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, I will turn you to the side of the bed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ma'am, using your strong hand, press it against the mattress and please scoot forward. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next command. Okay, ma'am, can you advance your weak leg by putting your strong leg posteriorly? Okay, ma'am, please clasp your hand or finger interlock. Grip over the strong. Okay, and put it on my knee. Okay, pag nakalagay na po dito, pwede pumita ako si client. Okay, kasi po, nakakapos siya, hindi na babagsak yan. Okay, pa, then dito knee.
Kaya
insert the towel. Okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, take note, dito knee. The count of 3, I will stand you up. 1, 2, 3. Sayaw lang, okay. Take note, isa po sa considerations na binigyan sa client, di ba? Dapat po nasa edge siya ng sitting surface. That's 1. Mahirap po magpatayo ang client po nasa gitna. Okay? Pangalawa, binanggit ito kanina, shift body weight forward. Tama ba? Dapat po, pag nakaganyan kayo, hindi mo nakakontra, mabigat yan. Dapat yung weight mo, nakaganon. Okay? Yung weight mo naka-forward dun sa hatak sa'yo. Okay? Para pag-angat, pag-aang. Kasi pag nakakontra ganyan, mabigat yan. Nakuha ba? Okay, sa number 2 pa lang yan.
Bed to wheelchair.